Creo Parametric introduces many enhancements to make the process of creating annotations faster than Pro Engineer Wildfire. First, there is a dedicated tab within the user interface for annotation functions. You'll see there are already default annotation planes identified, and you can easily edit the definition of any of these. We can also easily navigate to the view of the active annotation plane. Creating a combination state is as easy as one pick. In Pro Engineer Wildfire, we would have had to open the View Manager and create new states. In Creo Parametric, we can simply take snapshots of the current screen to make these views. We also introduced the Show Annotations dialog, which lets us select which annotations we want to display in this view. In Pro Engineer Wildfire, we can only show all dimensions per feature, and then have to select which ones to delete. Using the Show Annotations dialog, I can quickly pick only those dimensions to show by feature. Moving dimensions is much easier in Creo Parametric compared to Pro Engineer. Rather than selecting a dimension and using the right mouse button move command, we can now just pick the dimension and drag it to where we want it. Also, when moving a linear dimension, there is a center line that snaps the dimension to the middle of leader lines. Once we're satisfied with the view, we can update the view with one pick. The thumbnails for the combination view states are also updated immediately. Another major enhancement is the detail tree. This lists all the annotations in this view so we can easily select them. In Pro Engineer Wildfire, selecting annotations could be difficult with a lot of geometry on the screen. We can then create another state by selecting a new annotations plane, and then using the Show Annotations dialog, select the annotations we want active in this view. Once again, we only select those dimensions we need to display, rather than every dimension for a feature. The view states only contain those annotations that are active. We don't need to manage layer states and reference them in our view states. Creo Parametric takes care of this for us. We've shown some of the key highlights in creating annotations with Creo Parametric, including new capabilities and streamlined workflows. The result is improved design productivity, as even in this short comparison, I save 58% of the time taken to achieve the same result with Creo Parametric compared to Pro Engineer Wildfire.